Okay, when you come to the part that you've increased to your 11 stitches and you need to do the repeat rows, you'll do a row of purl, which I've already done, and then you'll do knit 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you're going to do a knit 2 together. So what you're going to do is bring, this will be over the next 2 stitches. So you want to bring one over and knit those 2 together. I like knitting them off one at a time. It's just a lot easier. And then you'll have an empty peg. This is where you do your yarn over. So if you knit 2 together and it calls for a yarn over, that means that you'll have an empty peg. You don't decrease. So you're going to float your yarn just right in front of it. You're not going to knit it or anything, just float your working yarn in front of it and continue on. So you'll knit the next 5. And that's how you create the little hole, and that will be for the tie to go through. So you'll do that 11 more times, you know, that whole section. You'll finish off the next 6 rows, and then you'll repeat those 8 rows over and over until you've done them 11 times. So you'll have all these little holes going throughout the scarf so that you can adjust it to whatever size you need to have it. Okay, I just wanted to show you, like, right after you've done that yarn over, you'll be purling back, so you just treat this like a stitch. So you would just purl it off like there's a regular stitch on that peg. And again, that will create a hole inside of your knitting. And that hole will be for the I-cord to go through. So after you've done the repeating section and your neckerchief is, you know, between 19 to 20 inches long, you'll come to the section where it's time to start decreasing. So you'll make another decreasing section so it will match the other side, and you'll decrease down to 2 stitches. So the way you'll do that, I'll just show you real quickly. When you get to the decrease section, you'll purl 1 row. So I just did a purl row. And you'll knit 1. Then you'll knit 2 together. And since there isn't a yarn over after the knit 2 together, we're definitely decreasing. So what you'll do is just pick up that stitch, move it over to knit it off with this one. You can go ahead and move that stitch over as well, which will make it easier. Knit those 2 together. And then continue knitting. Then when you get to the last 3 stitches, you'll have another knit 2 together. So just bring that one over. You can bring your last stitch in as well. Since there is no yarn over after the knit 2 together, it is a decrease. You'll need to move the stitches over. Knit those 2 together, and then knit that one. And you've decreased that row by 2 stitches. And you just continue to do that section until you're down to 2 stitches, and you make another I-cord at that end, and you're done.